We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba. We got so much to say. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba. We got so much to say, so little time.
Right, how are you doing, guys? So today in this video, and I hope I'll show you how I do it, mixing vocals. So we wanna mix these vocals properly. So this artist are known as Slim J from Zimbabwe, right? So let me start by putting an equalizer. See, zinaita timu yangu. Today we're going to start by putting an equalizer. Can we start by putting an equalizer? And now let's put our equalizer here. Let's start by a noise suppressor, right? Noise suppressor. So this one, it helps us to cut off the noise. It's a very nice plugin from Waves Bundle and it's user friendly, trust me. Okay, but there's no noise within my vocal, but I will just use it just in case. Okay,
we got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time.
Okay, I wanna deal with my frequencies, but first thing first, I'll just activate my compressor so that I wanna add energy to my vocal, for the sake of my ears. I want to hear everything within this vocal, so I'm gonna activate my compressor. This compressor, in this case, I'm using it to add a little bit energy to my vocal, right? So yeah, but I wanna focus on the frequencies though, right? Keep watching.
We got so much to say, so
you see there's energy now and it motivates me. You see, this is what motivates me.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva.
Okay, let's play with the beat.
So much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva.
Right, this is a very beautiful song. We just have to make sure that we don't ruin it by mixing. So we have to be careful. So first thing first, I'll work with these filters. This is F6 EQ from Waves Bundle, so it has got a nice filter. You see, I want to filter some low frequencies, so I'm gonna put it on solo. Then yeah, let's listen to it now.
We got so much to say, so little time.
Yeah.
So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba. We got so much to say, so little time.
Yeah.
So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva. Zuba.
Right.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the Kwita Bata Pananguva.
Okay, let's play with the mid frequencies.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do.
Okay.
We got so much to say, so little.
Right.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Shaka wonders on the. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time.
keep watching.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time.
Okay, I'm gonna play with some sibilants here, the A's, so that they don't bother us. Right?
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva.
I'm gonna shift this one. I wanna add a DSI here to try and get rid of those unnecessary sibilants. I don't need them to affect my mix. Right? Okay. Mel is.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana. We got so much to say, so little time.
Actually, I'm gonna add another compressor. So I'm gonna add another compressor here. Normally I use 3 compressors, by the way. Okay. I'm gonna add this one for now.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much.
So you can use their presets and then you can adjust them a little bit. Their presets. These plugins, they come with their presets, but you can adjust to exactly what you want. But it's better to start with a clue.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much.
Okay, I'll play with my threshold and my attack. Okay. No. Okay, somewhere there. Then I'll raise my gain a little bit.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much.
Okay, let's try and add auto-tune to our mix. We're gonna spice out things. You hear me? Right? Humanize. Do that. Then
we got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva.
So yeah, I want a lot of auto-tune. I just want it within this mix. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I wanna add a little bit of crispiness to my mix. So I've already done this. So yeah.
We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time. So much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvanda kuita bata pana nguva. Zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva.
Okay, so from this stage I want to add my effect, so that some of the things, these are just the basics that I'm doing. Then keep in mind that we are always going to adjust everything accordingly, because we want to add everything and then listen to the mix. We want to hear how it sounds with all the basics. So this is a doubler from Waves Bundle. I use it to try and widen my vocals a little bit. So I'll start by adding it. Okay.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so.
Yeah, that's a lot of it. We will adjust it using this feather here. Maybe somewhere around here.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so.
Who's calling me now? Hello? Okay, so we're gonna activate here, right? And then what else do we need to add? Delay. We're gonna need delay. Yeah, let's add our delay. Which one is my delay now? I think this is my delay. Okay.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time.
The way it's hitting, I don't like it. I'm gonna try to bring it down to the half of this this BPM. So I'm gonna try and bring this BPM to maybe 82. I think 82. Okay, we want to hear how it sounds. Yeah.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda.
Alright.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva.
So this is my reverb and it's voila.
We got so much to say, so
much to do.
pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva.
So these are the basics. You just adjust to exactly what you want, guys, but these are the basics on how to mix vocals in Cubase 13 Pro. So unfortunately my computer is misbehaving now. I was going to go through the whole process with you, but I'll be using these plugins normally. So I want to see what's wrong with my computer, but I'll come with a maybe part 2, part 3, like that, with this same project.
We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe nchazvita nerimwe zuva. We got so much to say, so little time, so much to do, so little time. Zvakawanda zvandakuita bata pana nguva, zvimwe chazvita nerimwe zuva.